Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So you guys have been complaining about my intro that it's a bit too fast, so I'm gonna give this a try. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a lip scrub for our dry, chapped and cracked lips. I hope that's better, guys. So guys, let's go. So guys, what you're gonna need is just a few ingredients. I'm using honey and I'm using sugar. The sugar is for exfoliation and the honey is because it tastes yummy. So what I'm going to do is open up my sugar container. I tried not to show you guys. Then take 1 teaspoon of sugar. So this is my teeny tiny bit of sugar and some honey. This honey looks very run down because I put, oh, it's hot. I put this bottle in the microwave and it is still hot. So please be careful when you guys do that. Don't listen to me. So the honey is a teeny tiny bit hot, but just want to mix these two ingredients and then after put that onto your lips. So my honey bottle has a shape that it was not supposed to have. I put it into the microwave for too long and the bottle melted as well as the honey. So guys, get yourself a toilet paper and just wipe off whatever is on your lip. If you get a wet wipe, it's better. If you want lips that is more plumpy and full, I suggest you go in with a little bit of cinnamon. And now just massage this into your lips. Please do not eat it, it's for your lips. This is just going to remove all the dirt from your lips and it's going to exfoliate your lips. It's going to remove all the dead skin cells. If you guys want, you can do this on a regular basis. You can do it in the mornings, you can do it in the afternoons. You can do it once or twice a week. You can do it just on weekend. You don't have to be very harsh with this mixture. All you got to do is just rub. If you guys don't want to do this, then you are more than welcome every morning after you brush your teeth to go in with your toothbrush and just brush on your lips. That's the easiest method ever because you brush your teeth every day. So what's going in and just giving your lip a few scrubs. So guys, now I'm just gonna go in and wipe this off. Wipe very gently because it can rip your lip. So guys, this is what my lips look like and this was today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and I will be back with another amazing video. Thank you so much for all the love lately. I'm out.